Okay, and then the next one is 5 summary. So find the 5 summary. So 5 summary in a box plot. So we have minimum, maximum, Q1, median, Q3. 5. Mean, lower boundary. Mean is lower fence or lower boundary, same. Minimum values or lower boundary or lower fence, same thing. Maximum values, upper boundaries or upper fence, same thing. Q1, quartile 1 or your 25% is your quartile 1. Q3 is your quartile 3 or your 75% of your data set. And then we have median. So median is referred to your Q2 lah, or your 50% of your data set.
大概就这两个赛道，一个五个。两个。这题是，这题目没讲数字的吗？
它是背手刚才的。
没有，就是在不是两个都有。
就是一样，还要算的 confident， 还有还有什么？confident 还有一个 support， 3个。
对呀。
Okay, so what is the answer? 1, 2. Okay. So for example, you want to find the IQR for month. So first thing is you need to sort your data set first. You need to sort your data point first in ascending order. So start from 55 up until 95 for month. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the median is somewhere here. So we take the average value. So the average value between 68 and 70 is 69. So that is the median value or the quartile 2 value. Okay, and then for the quartile 1, so because we take the median between 68 and 70, so the range for your quartile 1 is between 55 to 68. 55 to 68. So the middle point from 55 to 68 is 65. So correct. Okay, and then for Q3, so the range is between 70 to 95. So this one is the middle point, 75. And then you can calculate the lower fence. So this is the formula. So you get 50, and then for the upper fence you get 90. So I assume that your calculation is correct, Adeline? Okay, and then so after you have calculated the IQR for men, and then for women. So for women here, so you can see that we for the upper fence we have 115 for the maximum values. So we check our data set. Okay, so there's no outliers lah. Same.
1上一样变化。Support X 6 support
文章。
有牛奶吗？
就好像你还会它的题目在讲什么？
刚好牛奶就2个，就刚好是因为牛奶就两边有牛奶，然后diapers的话就是2个都有的也刚好只有2组，所以除到来变成刚好是1分。
Okay, and then for quiz 3, so we have one table here, so you need to identify the best visualization techniques. So you can use histogram. The worst visualization technique is using pie chart. So why you are not advisable to use pie chart? Because if you click here for this range and this range, so we have zero value.
就是
So
全
if
部
you use pie chart, then the 0% will not be visible in your pie chart. So you cannot use pie chart
然后
So you can use histogram
全部嘛，就
or stack bar chart.
那还有一个 butter，
这个是另外一题，
Bar chart or
上
histogram.
面那题上面那题。
Okay, and then based on your observation in table 1, so we can see that 80 plus, age 80 plus group so exhibit the highest percentage. So this one is K-bar. So it mentioned that older people
哦，它的那个 Y 是
as low immune.
嗯，
Okay,
它就
correct.
算题
And
我懂就是它
also,
这个
yeah,
X
also they
Y
tend to ignore their
跟
own
这个 X
health.
比如说这个啦，有一个什
Low
么
immune or maybe they have existing medical issues or they tend to ignore or they are not following the SOP like wash hands, wear mask and so on.
就你看啊，这里
Okay,
这里啊，
可是它的 formula 是 union 的话，你就要写。
so this one contain
你看这个什么 X
Ah.
mute 说话 diaper 的你
techniques. Equal interval and equal frequency is referred to the same thing.
然后
It refers to the beaming technique. So another technique that you can use by using the Z-score, calculate the IQR, and also you can plot the histogram.
我只是
Okay, and then X here is referred to the outliers. So why we are not advised to remove outliers for some cases? Because outliers might contain a valuable information,
算的时候要写那个 U 出来哦，没有算就写
especially when you are dealing with time series data set like gold close price or any
算出来怎么用？
time series data set like USD. So it is not advisable for you to remove the outliers
不考试，
because it might contain valuable information. Because it might contain the trends lah,
可能会出来考到这里。
especially when you use time series data set. Okay, that's all. So see you next week.
完了，终于。